Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this part of the chapter number 2, we are going to understand about the longitudes. Okay, to fix the position of a place, it is necessary to know something more than the latitude. We already discussed about the latitude. These are the horizontal lines on the globe. But what about the longitudes? So you can see the example here that Tonga Islands in the Pacific Ocean and Mauritius Islands in the Indian Ocean are situated on the same latitude. They are having same latitudes. How can we understand what is the place when it is showing only one latitude? So for that purpose, we need a precise location to go or just locate that place. Now, in order to locate them precisely, we must find out how far east or how far west these places are from a given line of reference. We have one line of reference running through from the north pole and the south pole. Okay, so these lines of references are called meridians of longitudes. These are the meridians of longitudes, which are horizontally lining from north to south like this. Okay, the drawing is not proper. And the distance between them are measured in degrees of longitudes. Each degree is further again divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. So they are semicircles and the distance between them decreases steadily polewards until it becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians are meet. Here it is having the 0 degree here. Now, unlike parallel of latitudes, all meridians are of having equal length. Thus, it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all countries decided that count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. And this meridian is called prime meridian. You can see here. And this is going through from Greenwich Island. Okay, now its value is 0 degree longitude and we count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westward. Okay, the prime meridian and 180 degree meridian divides the earth into two parts, that is eastern hemisphere and a western hemisphere. Okay, this is western hemisphere and this is eastern hemisphere. Now, therefore, the longitude of a place is followed by the letter E for the east and W for the west. It is, however, interesting to note that 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line. Now look at the grid of the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude on the globe, which is given here in this picture. Okay, the horizontal lines are latitudes and vertical lines are longitudes, and where they are crossing or intersecting each other, that will be your place whatever you are searching for. For example, Dhubri in Assam is situated at 26 degree north latitude and 90 degree east longitude, so you can find it clearly. So to understand this clearly, draw equidistance with those who are having the same distance, vertical and horizontal lines on a paper, same like this. Okay, and wherever these lines are crossing, just put the circles and you can name them like A, B, C, D, E. And wherever these crossing the means whenever you are drawn the circle, that will be your location what you are searching, and you can consider that these vertical lines are your east longitudes and horizontal lines are your north latitudes. So for suppose if you are thinking about the circle A here, so it will show B degree at north and 1 degree at east, like that you can search for it. So here we have one map. We will come to this map afterwards. Okay, the best means of measuring time is by movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day and naturally. Okay, in ancient time people are using the sun's position to check out the time, so it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at the sunrise and the sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those who are at the west will be behind it. So we have here picture 2.8. Okay, you can see Greenwich, this line is here, and wherever they are before the Greenwich, they are ahead of it, and ahead they are showing the ahead time, and those who are after the Greenwich, they are showing before time. Just a minute. Yes, those who are showing those places of east of Greenwich, they are showing behind time. Okay, and those who are at the west side, they are showing the behind time, and those who are at the west of the Greenwich, they are showing ahead time. Okay. Huh. The rate of difference can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4, that is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. That is because at Greenwich it is showing 12 noon. But at 15 degree west of Greenwich, that time will be behind of Greenwich time, that is 1 hour behind. So it will be shows 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be midnight when it is having the 12 noon at Greenwich. We will again go to that map and we will see the timings. Okay, this is the west side of the Greenwich. It is showing, okay, behind time, and it is the here at the east side of the Greenwich, it is showing ahead time. See here, and at Greenwich it is showing, they are not showing any time here. Yes, they are showing about the 12 only. So here you can see +1 +2 +3 like this, and here at the east side, sorry, at the west side, it is showing less time. At 180 degree, it is showing 12 at midnight. Okay, so like that, the time is, we are calculating the time by using this GMT, that is Greenwich Meridian Time. So at any place, a watch can be adjusted to reach 12 o'clock when the sun is the highest point in the sky, that is when it is midday. The time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see that all the places on a given meridian of longitude having the same local time. Now, for example, for India, it is having the uh, local time, that is we are following Delhi timeline, right? That is Indian Standard Time. We are showing how we are showing that in, and why we are following that. Let's understand. The local time of places which are different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. In India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local time in Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. So it is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as standard time for the country. In India, the longitude of 82 and half degree east, that is 82 degree 30 minutes, is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as standard time for the whole country, and it is known as Indian Standard Time. So we have here one example. Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. Okay, and just understand this standard meridian line is going from which states, you have to comment that. Okay. Huh. So he tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. A day and night cricket match between India and England had started at 2 p.m. in London. This means that match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India and finish well into the night. Do you know what is the difference between them? Just yes, you have to do just minus 2, 7:30 minus 2. So what you will get? You will get 5.5 hours of distance in between India and London, England. So India located east of Greenwich at 82 degree 30 minutes is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So it will be showing 7:30 p.m. in India when it is having 2 p.m. in noon in London. Let's understand by the map again. Let's see what India is showing the timing. See, yes, 5.5, right. And where is the London? Here. It is showing 2. No, it is 12. Here is the London. It is showing 2. And India is showing 5.5. So 5.5 hours of distance. Just a minute. Okay, done. So some countries have a great longitudinal extent, and so they have adapted more than one standard time. Okay, for example, in Russia there are many as 11 standard times. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of the zones of hour zones of 1 hour each. So each zone thus covers 15-degree longitude. So you will understand about the Russia. They are having 11 standard times, so they have to follow it. Okay, so here we are finishing about the longitudes, and also we have finished this chapter 2 about globe latitudes and longitudes. If you have not watched the first part, I am putting the channel link over here, so you can watch this. Also just subscribe my channel to see all the videos of different topics, and even I already made a playlist of class 7 geography, so it will help your journey for the geography subject. Okay, thanks for watching.